Welcome to Practical Learning. This is the summary of the play Lady Windermere's Fan by Oscar Wilde. The play begins with Lady Windermere, who was a young and beautiful woman, and she lived in London with her husband, Lord Windermere. She believed strongly in honesty, loyalty, and doing what is right. To her, the world was simple, and people were either good or bad. She loved her husband deeply and trusted him completely. Their life together seemed calm, happy, and perfect. One day, her peaceful life began to change when she heard a troubling rumor. A friend told her that Lord Windermere had been visiting a woman named Mrs. Erlynne. It was also said that he had been giving her money. Lady Windermere refused to believe this at first because she trusted her husband. She felt sure he would never betray her. But soon she started to notice strange changes in her husband's behavior. He became quiet and avoided her questions about Mrs. Erlynne. Whenever she mentioned the woman, he looked uncomfortable and distracted. This made her feel worried and confused inside. Her strong belief in truth made it hard for her to ignore these signs. Finally, Lady Windermere asked her husband directly about Mrs. Erlynne. Lord Windermere admitted that he had been helping her with money. However, he refused to explain the reason behind it. He only asked his wife to trust him without asking more questions. This answer made her feel hurt, confused, and suspicious. Lady Windermere believed that love must always be honest and open. To her, secrets meant something wrong was being hidden. Her trust in her husband slowly began to break apart. She felt alone even while living with him. Her perfect life no longer felt safe or certain. The situation became worse when Lord Windermere told her something shocking. He said he had invited Mrs. Erlynne to her birthday party. Lady Windermere felt deeply insulted and angry by this decision. She could not understand why her husband would do such a thing. It felt like a painful betrayal to her.
Even though she strongly protested, Lord Windermere did not change his decision. He said it was very important, but he still refused to explain anything. This made her feel powerless and deeply hurt. She began to think that her husband cared more about Mrs. Erlynne than about her. Her pain and confusion continued to grow. On the day of the party, Lady Windermere felt no happiness at all. The house was full of guests, music and laughter around her, but inside, she felt cold, distant, and deeply troubled. She could not stop thinking about Mrs. Erlynne. Her mind was filled with worry and sadness. When Mrs. Erlynne arrived at the party, she surprised everyone present. She was calm, elegant, and very charming in her behavior. Many guests liked her and spoke kindly to her during the evening. This made Lady Windermere feel even more uncomfortable and uneasy. She had expected her to be unpleasant and rude. Lord Windermere treated Mrs. Erlynne with politeness and respect. This behavior hurt Lady Windermere deeply and made her feel worse. She felt that her husband was choosing another woman over her. Jealousy and sadness filled her heart at that moment. She tried hard to hide her emotions from others. During the party, Lord Darlington came to speak with Lady Windermere. He had admired her for a long time and noticed her unhappiness. He spoke kindly and tried to comfort her feelings. He told her that she deserved better than a husband who kept secrets. His words made her think deeply. Lord Darlington even suggested that she could leave her husband if she wished. He said she could begin a new life and find true happiness again. At first, Lady Windermere was shocked by his suggestion. It went against everything she had believed in before, but her emotional pain made her feel weak and confused. After the party ended, Lady Windermere felt completely lost and broken. She believed her husband had betrayed her trust and love. She thought she could no longer live with him in peace. In her deep sadness, she made a serious decision. She decided to leave her home and her husband.
She wrote a goodbye letter to Lord Windermere and left it behind. Then she went quietly to Lord Darlington's house. She believed this was her only escape from her pain. Her heart was full of fear, but she felt she had no choice. She was ready to change her life completely. At the same time, Mrs. Erlynne learned about Lady Windermere's plan. Instead of ignoring the situation, she decided to act quickly. She followed Lady Windermere to Lord Darlington's house. She wanted to stop her from making a serious mistake. This showed a new and surprising side of her character. Mrs. Erlynne spoke kindly but firmly to Lady Windermere. She warned her that leaving her husband would destroy her future. She asked her to think carefully before making such a decision. At first, Lady Windermere refused to listen to her advice, but slowly her words began to make sense. Lady Windermere realized she was about to make a very serious mistake. Her anger and pain had pushed her too far. She began to regret her decision deeply. She wanted to return home and fix things. But suddenly, something unexpected happened. Lord Windermere and several other men arrived at Lord Darlington's house. Lady Windermere was terrified of being discovered there. If they saw her, her reputation would be completely ruined. She did not know where to hide or what to do. Fear filled her heart in that moment. At that moment, Mrs. Erlynne made a brave and quick decision. She hid Lady Windermere and took her place in the room. She allowed the men to believe she was the one there. This protected Lady Windermere from shame and trouble. It was a great and selfless sacrifice. This action showed that Mrs. Erlynne was not a bad person at heart. She cared deeply and acted with courage and kindness. Later, it was revealed that she was Lady Windermere's mother. Many years ago, she had left her family and disappeared. Now she had returned to protect her daughter. Mrs. Erlynne chose to keep this truth a secret from her daughter. She did not want to cause her pain or confusion. Instead, she quietly helped her and prepared to leave again. Her love was shown through her actions, not words. It was silent, but very powerful. Lady Windermere returned home safely after everything had happened. She felt deeply changed by her experience that night. She understood that people are not simply good or bad. Life was more complex than she had once believed. She became wiser and more understanding. Lord Windermere welcomed her back with kindness and calmness. He forgave her and did not question her harshly. Their relationship slowly began to heal again. Lady Windermere felt grateful and ashamed at the same time. She wanted to become a better and kinder person. In the end, Mrs. Erlynne left London to begin a new life elsewhere. She gave up the chance to be known as a mother to her daughter, but she had protected Lady Windermere's future and happiness. Her sacrifice showed true love and strength. It was a quiet but powerful act. The story ends with a deep and meaningful message for the audience. It shows that people can change and grow over time. Love, forgiveness, and understanding are more important than strict judgment. Life is not simple, and people are not perfect. True goodness often comes from difficult choices. I hope you have enjoyed this story, but please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.